right, y'all. I got 12 rounds. I got the Anderson 7.5 inch. 5.56. Target's at 5.5. I'm just doing 2 semi, 10 super.